Hello everyone, today on Cook with Love I have brought for you the recipe of my all-time favorite snack, Sesame Toast. It is usually a fried snack, but here is my non-fried version of it, which is equally crispy, crunchy and yummy. For this recipe we need 1 boiled potato, some olive oil or ghee, half chopped capsicum, some coriander, 1 chopped onion, 1 tablespoon of corn flour, some sesame seeds, salt and pepper, cumin powder, mustard sauce and 1 whole wheat or multigrain bread. First of all, let's prepare the topping for sesame toast. For this, grease the pan with some oil. Add onion and capsicum and saute it for a while. We are doing it just to remove the raw smell of the vegetables, so don't cook them too much. We can now turn off the heat and add rest of the spices as well as potato. Let's add salt and pepper. You can also add red pepper, some cumin powder, coriander, and finally we will add mashed potato. Mix this masala well. Our topping is now ready. We will now take it out in a bowl. Now add some mustard sauce to it. And half a teaspoon of corn flour. Let the topping cool down. Meanwhile, we will prepare a paste with rest of the corn flour. Just add 2 teaspoons of water to make slightly thick paste of corn flour, which we are going to apply on the topping before cooking again. Now apply this topping to these bread slices which I have cut into 4. You can cut them into half also, round, triangle, whichever shape you like. Now apply a layer of corn flour paste and sprinkle sesame seeds on top of it. Press them with hand so that they get stuck well. Now take some oil in the pan. And put these slices upside down.